Muna ang tinubdan sa among mga kagwapa, charot.
Hi!
Wow! Kita gid kayo ba? Kita? Klaro jud kayo, sakpan jud kayo mo. Sana oh. Ben, nangalungat pa mo?
Your head is so big, go down a bit more.
Okay, can you take it?
Kailangan ko po. Hi guys, good morning. It is Saturday and it's 9:18 in the morning. Nandito tayo ngayon sa sasakyan. Today is the day na isasauli na natin tong ating car rental. So, after 1 month, na balik na sa atin yung ating sasakyan. So, last night, actually very late last night, pinick up natin yung sasakyan natin from the car repair. So, sinabi nilang 2 weeks na naging 1 month. Anyways, as long as nabalik na sa atin yung sasakyan, that's the main thing. And then, yeah, sasauli na natin yung sasakyan natin ngayon. Kaya wala dito ang ating mga kids at wala si Daddy Mike kasi, yeah, nakalabas na yung mga car seats. And yung gagawin natin ngayon ay i-full tank lang natin ng gasolina tong ating sasakyan kasi kailangan pagkabalik sa kanila ay puno ng petrol yung ating car. So, alam nyo ba yung sabi nila, make sure na kapag naglagay ka ng petrol ay malapit doon sa kanilang opisina para hindi makulangan yung kanilang gasolina. So, since na nakuha natin itong sasakyan na to guys a month ago, seriously, hindi ako nakalagay ng gasolina kasi hindi naman talaga natin ginamit ito ng bonggang-bongga. Yung nakalagay dito is just less than half ng tangke yung nagamit natin. So, yeah, we don't need to put a lot of petrol today. And it's going to be a very busy day today for us guys. Alam niyo ba? Kita ba sa mga mata ng mami niyo na walang tulog? Ay, hindi naman sa walang tulog. So, I slept for around 3 hours. So, kagabi, I stayed up late. Nagluto ako ng mga pagkain. Kasi today, mamayang lunchtime, gagawin natin yung birthday lunch ni baby Celine. So, nagluto ako kagabi. Natapos ako around 3. Natulog ako. And then, si baby Celine natin ay nagising 6:30. So, obviously, kailangan gumising ni mami nyo. So, 3 hours lang yung tulog natin, guys. Grabe. Kita ba sa aking mga mata? Tingnan nyo yung walang saktong tulog. But anyways, I am not complaining. It's going to be a busy, fun day. So, we're going to the park. Makikita na, imimit natin doon yung ating family. And we're going to have lunch there. Before kami pupunta doon, we will go pick up the kakanin first. So, hindi na ako, di ba sabi ko before, order sana ako ng pagkain doon sa Filipino na parang eatery, yung kainan ba dito, malapit sa amin. Kaya nga lang, I wanted to save. Kaya sabi ko sa sarili ko, kung makakaluto naman ako ng spaghetti, pork menudo, and ano ba yung isa? Chicken adobo. So, yung hindi ko nagawa kagabi is yung bihon. Kasi nakalimutan kong bumili ng chicken thighs. So, kaninang umaga pa bumili si Daddy Mike. Wala na. I don't think I can do it, guys. So, I might just get one dish from sa kainan na yun. Pero yung in-order ko na kakanin ay sapin-sapin, biko, at ano ba yung isa? Cassava cake. So, I'm super excited. It's going to be a very yummy busy day. Anyways, alam nyo ba, hindi ko pa nakita yung ating sasakyan. Pinark namin doon, Kasi, kagabi nga, pinick up namin siya mga 8 o'clock na. So, sobrang dilim-dilim na. And, ayun. So, hindi ko pa nakita. Tapos, kaninang umaga, nagkabisi-bisi na rin. So, hindi ko nababaan dito kanina. So, we'll go have a look at it later. But, sa na-feel ko lang kagabi ha, sa sasakyan. Yung, kasi nga diba, Phoenix nila yung sa likuran ng sasakyan. It feels like, ewan ko, parang nabago yung feeling ko, guys. Hindi na talaga yung original na ano ba. Yung, alam niyo yung sa boot, kapag inopen yung boot, before, it was very soft, like, parang very smooth lang yung transition ng ganun lang. Yan, parang, gumaganon na siya. I don't think it's a big deal. Nabaguhan lang siguro ako, guys. Kasi naman, you know, one month na nawala sa atin yung sasakyan. Anyways, chika pa ako ng chika dito. Uy, kailangan ko nang umalis. We'll see you guys later. It's 12 o'clock, people. Ayan, nakababa na kami. So, here's our car.
Here's a flower.
Finally. Say hi, Tito. Tita.
Here's a flower.
Thank you, sweetheart.
It's really tiny.
Thank you. So, here's our car, guys, after 1 month. Ayan. Ewan ko bakit binaba ni Daddy yung ano, mga windows. Ayan. So, there you go. Very happy we've got the car back. Finally. Ayan. So, that's Ate Paris's outfit for today. So, it's pretty warm. It's 21 and it's sunny. So, hindi siya maginaw, guys. Show me your outfit, babe. Ay, oh, we'll show our outfit as well. Naka-pink ang ating baby Celine. Have a look at her dress.
This is our last
I got this dress from from Melbourne.
This is our last day today.
Very nice, diba? From ano pa to siya, guys? From Ukay.
Hi, I
Oh,
was
diba?
talking first.
Oh, what was it now?
This is our last day.
Our last day?
Yeah.
What do you mean our last day?
It is. It is.
What do you mean our last day?
It is.
Last day of what?
Last one.
Last day of what?
One more sleep. We're going to restaurant house.
What?
One more sleep.
Ba't tinatakot naman ako ng batang ito? Our last
No,
day.
Mommy.
Huh?
One more sleeper. We're going to the hotel.
Hotel?
Yeah. Yes, we are.
Hotel, anak.
I feel.
And si mami nyo ay, ayan, naka-black shirt lang. Tapos nag-belt ako, guys. Ayan. Tapos, skirt. Ba. Ayan. Ngayon, pipick upin natin yung ating pagkain. Yung mga kakanin na binili na in-order natin. And then from there, we will drive straight to the park.
Flower for you.
Thank you, sweetheart. It's very sweet. Thank you. Kiss mommy. Mwah.
My favorite.
Yeah. I'm gonna give that to Celine. Because Celine is gonna put that in her mouth. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Oh, grabe haba ng birthday celebration ni Celine. Daddy, did you put the windows down?
Daddy,
You left it unlocked, Bob.
That's Liz present.
Next one's got a
That's Liz
the next
present.
neighbor's got a proper Lamborghini.
That's Liz present.
Lamborghini?
That's
The
Liz
one? The
present.
new one?
Daddy, that's Liz present.
May bago kaming,
Daddy, that's Liz present.
That is.
bago kaming bahay ba? Yung next apartment.
Like,
Kumalis na
Daddy,
yung ano.
I can
Sabi
fly
ni Daddy,
with it
yung
when we
bagong-
get there.
of course you
Pumasok
can.
daw. Bago may Lamborghini. Sana all my Lamborghini. Nakna. Alright, we're going now, guys. We'll see you there.
It's like
It smells like cake. No.
Hi, Daddy.
Hello.
Mommy.
It's like this laughter ground.
Mine.
Oh no.
Dito na ako ngayon sa Fortitude Valley. So, I parked the car there. Andun si Daddy tsaka yung mga kids. Just gonna go pick up the food quickly. So, here is nasa ano ako sa overpass. May pa-overpass na dito. Diyan. Madalian lang na kita eh. Ilagay ko sa vlog ko. Oo, may vlog daw. Say hi. Say hi to him. Say hi. Oh, di ba? Bongga. Ang ganda ng kanilang ano dito, self lady. Mom and Paris in Melbourne. Oo. Ha?
Kuha ko yun.
Ayan. Ito ang kanilang, guys, kainan sa valley. Pag nandito kayo sa Brisbane, guys, Fortitude Valley. Nandito sila. Tingnan nyo, ang daming pagkain. Pabili na rin ako niyang, dalawa. Please, thank you. Grabe, sarap, guys. Dito. Ayan, yan sa Ate Remy, guys. Yes, oo. Makita nyo ha? Artista na kayo. Dito kayo, Maria, guys. Oh, sarap yung turon nila. Oo ba? Para may viewer ako. Daming options.
70 ba na? Oh, 170.
Thank
Isa mo
you.
sa akin kung saan ko panunuin.
Oh, sige, message ko sa'yo. Tingnan niyo yung mga beauty niyo dyan. Oo.
Best friends, kainan sa Bali.
Wow! Oh, diba? Ang bongga. Yan, sobrang tagal ko lang hindi nakakain ng sapin-sapin. Nandito lang pala eh.
Oo, lahat kompleto.
Ikaw nagluluto niyan, te?
Ang boss ko.
Ha?
Ang boss namin.
Pero ikaw nagluluto ka rin?
Oo, lahat ng pagkain ako nagluluto. Mister ko. Yan, sa tabi ko. Ayun. Yan.
Hi po! Kaya pala masarap yung pagkain kasi
Yan ang aking mister.
kasi mag-asawa ang gumagawa. Oh,
Yes. Pagmamahal para sa Pilipino.
Punong-puno ng pagmamahal.
Yes.
Ayan, bongga.
And the one, iyoto.
Thank you po.
Pwede ko lang say. Ano manunood ako ng vlog mo?
Manood ka para may viewer din ako.
Sige. I-send mo
i-send ko
kami
sa'yo. Send ko sa'yo.
Butter
Ayan, Ate Remy. Hanapin niyo sa Ate Remy kapag gusto niyo ng
Oo,
pagkain.
natin si Ate Remy dito sa Fortitude Valley. Kung gusto niyong kumain ng masarap na pagkain, Filipino food.
Yeah, thank you, Te. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you next time.
Yes.
Dito na kami, guys. Naku, sobrang hirap maghanap ng parking. Buti na lang nakapark dyan. Pero yung park ay doon pa talaga. Oh. You excited, Paris? Super excited. Go. Nakila, your hair looks very shiny and very healthy today. For some reason.
Walk the footpath a bit.
I'm wondering what you've done to it. Ang shiny yung buhok niya, oh. Tapos hindi kasi, trim na naman to siya the other time. Last week, last 2 weeks. So yeah, here's the park. So that's the bridge there. Pagpasensyahan nyo na ang aking mukha, guys. May may kunting feeling kasi gumamit ako ng rejuvenating set. Oh, diba? Bonggang mami nyo gumamit ng rejuvenating set. Skin Magical yung nakita ko sa Filipino shop last week. So, yun yung ginamit ko. Dapat dyan kami. Guys, kaya nga lang, meron silang nauna dyan na bongga ang kanilang setup dyan, Oh, they're not there anymore. The food is not there anymore, nak. Oh, there. Did Daddy bring everything there already? Oh, Daddy. Oh, Daddy's the best. Have a look. He's trying to organize stuff. Tingnan nyo, Doon na lang kami sa damuhan while looking after Celine. Have a look. Hang on. We'll see. Tingnan nyo ang ating Daddy Mike, guys. Super lucky talaga with Daddy Mike, guys. So Celine is there. So he's trying to do. Kasi dito namin iniwan lahat yung pagkain. Nilakad niya lahat doon. Nandun pa si Baby Celine. Kailangan niya bantayan. Si ganda ng kanilang dito, set up. Well done. Tingnan niyo, Ay. Oh no! We forgot her hair clip in the car. Hello! Hello, Marina girl! Hello, Marina girl! Yes? Hey, Josh!
Ma, can I play the park?
Ay, what's that, nak? That's dirty, nak.
Can I play to the park?
Hang on, just give a second, my love. Play with Celine for now. Hala, nainiwan man namin ang hair clip niya sa sasakyan. Ay,
Can I just play a little bit?
andyan. O, yan lang ang aming mga ano,
Play a
guys.
little bit on the park, just a little bit.
Hmm?
Please, mommy.
Hang on, nak. Later when they come, nak. Tito will be here soon. They can play with you, okay? They just arrived, anak.
Ready?
Yep. Tingnan nyo, very sunny, guys. Tingnan nyo si Daddy, oh, nag-set up na doon, oh.
Oh, that's nice.
The pizza?
Oh, no, thank you. I'll have it when
I think it's better to eat it a little bit now.
Have some na. You get excited later, you'll play, and you won't be able to eat. Go. Grab something. Come on. Hang on, anak. Hang on. Ay. Move. Na, nagkapanti-panti na yung mga inahan. So, ayan guys, oh. Pagkain. Ayan yung aking, ano ha, spaghetti ha. Ayan. Tingnan nyo. Tapos yung mga ano na dyan. Oh, tapos bumili pa ako nito. Ito yung binili ko doon. Dinuguan. Tapos munggo. Diba? Kasi, palagi naman nakakain dito ng mga ano guys, meat. And, yeah, isda. So, ito yung Pinoy, pagkain Pinoy talaga. Yan. And then, Daddy ordered 5 boxes of pizza. What's going on?
If you want some, let's pizza.
You want pizza? Yeah, get her to bite nak a little bit.
Is it yummy pizza?
Just a little bit. Good girl. Good girl. Ah, hi. No voice. Hi, how are you? Hi. Mwah. How are you?
Good. Birthday girl.
Hello.
Even though it's her birthday, like what, 2 weeks ago now.
Yeah, no, 3 weeks.
This is for you.
Good birthday.
Wow.
It's bigger than her.
That's massive. My goodness. Yeah, I'll grab it. Thank you. Have a look, Leanie girl. Honey.
Bye, sure.
Honey. Oh, you're so good. You're like Boy Scout. You see, got all this.
Birthday. The
You
big
see?
1 year old. 1 year old.
One.
Yes, one. Say hi, Tita. Hello. Have a look, nak. Oh, wow. Beautiful man ya, oy. Open eh. Open na nato, nak. Karon, you can play. You wanna open?
How did your
Here. Wait.
hold on.
Lini, have a look. Wow, say thank you. Thanks for this.
It's from all of us in Marco. Marco can't make it
Oh, is
because he
okay?
could
It's
only
working?
come for like till 1.
Wait.
So,
Oh,
because he
yeah,
works
yeah.
tonight. Yeah.
Yeah, fair enough. Where did you park?
Just there.
Really?
Right there. Yeah.
Oh, you got
Disabled
lucky.
permit.
Ah, you have the blue
dad
thing.
does, yeah.
There you go. Lucky. Oh, well, this one for later. Just yay!
It's very basic.
Nandun na sila, oh. Oh, it's okay, my love. Payak-iyak mo si Celine, oh. Payak-iyak mo siya, oh. Kaya may mga tao na siyang nakikita. See? Everyone's there. Hi, how are you? Good joy. Hello, so how are you? Wow, yeah. Hi.
Kay Celine ito.
Wow. Ay, shush.
Paris.
Oh, thank you.
Hey, Paris.
Wow, lucky Paris. Hi!
Hi, Job. Huwag mo ka nag-ingon. Tabangan, unta ka.
Sige na, uy, pila naman. Panood ko naman ko datong kuan.
Happy birthday, baby.
Oh, thank you, nanay, uy.
Thank you, Lolo. Uy, dako naman among baby in town. Uy, ayaw pa cry?
Warm up pa na siya. Asa man imong kuan, first lady?
Uy.
Trabaho? Hi. How are you, tito? Good.
I'm
Hi,
good.
Oh, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, tita. Happy birthday, nanay.
Happy birthday. It's okay, my love. Nahilak na gidayon ay.
Sabi nanay, be.
Oh, hilak. Picture. Take daw kami ng picture dyan, guys. Oh. Nanapad sila. Ayun, ani, kaya taken naman siya. Taken naman daw ito siya. Oh, is that the hat? Oh, no, it's a different one. Is that the one?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. That looks nice. Yeah, fits you. Ayan na, oh. Picnic. This is the real picnic. Ayan ang mga... Muna ang tinubdan sa among mga kagwapa. Charot.
Hi! Sali mo dali, oh. Bapo kayo dali.
Nice kay lang view, guys. Oh. Pero ang isa, tingnan nyo, ayaw talagang magpahawak sa iba. Drink pa more! Sige, I'll take photo. Hala, we did not bring kuan man da ay. Daddy, we didn't bring serving spoon.
Huh?
Serving spoon.
That's alright. No, that's alright. That's alright. Should be right. Just send it, mate.
Paris, oh, abi ko magnagkaon diretso mo sindulaan
Mahipin lang sa mga dagkog kaon, dire. Mahipin sa mga dagkog kaon.
Ano, ay paila.
Okay, mga ka kay mamalay ka
Spread. Ilara ko na si Jitlo nga ay pangdamay.
It's super nice ng araw today.
What's this one nga? This one?
Munggos to. Munggos daw ka na. Munggos na dinuguan ba? Akong gipait na to sa
Yeah.
kuan.
Kanang diya sa kwat. Filipino.
Don't lose the key.
A few moments later.
It's late na, guys. What's the time, B? It's 4:37 in the afternoon. At ayan, hinati-hati na namin ang mga pagkain kasi ayokong dalhin lahat. Masasayang lang naman. So, ito yung uuwi ko. May biko pa ako, sapin-sapin, dinuguan, tsaka munggo. And then, pizza na siguro tatapon lang din kasi wala naman kakain yan. May spaghetti pa naiwan. Ayan.
Birthday na siya.
Ito. Gift. Ayan, nandyan sila, oh.
Kasunod ba si Ikon Sinindani, oh?
Gani, ikaw siya na. Ayan, pakita natin yan mamaya. Wow! Kita, gid kayo ba? Kita! Klaro, jud kayo, sakpan jud kayo mo. Sana, oh! Wow! Hi!
I want some lavender.
Is Tito holding you, Nanak?
Just smiling.
Yeah, oh, that's so good. You see, she's warming up. Oh, she warmed up now. See, Tito EJ can hold her now. Sana ba sa inyong background niya, oh? Wow, she's not crying anymore. You're not crying anymore, Nak.
She's a big girl now.
Hey, is that you? Is that Tito EJ? The big muscles in the Tito EJ. Oh, the big muscles. Oh. Yay! Hindi na siya umiiyak. Comfortably na siya. Oh. We should do it often, Jude. Jay.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So she'll get used to your faces. Aw, she's sleepy too. She might fall asleep on you. Jay, pwede na, Jay. Oh, she's...
Tulog. Natulog.
She's just close.
Paris, look.
Is that your friend? And your friend?
Have a look at Celine. She's just falling.
She's really good.
Ikaw ba? Oh, here. Oh, say hi. Aww. Jay, pwede na kayo, Jay. Is she sleepy? She's very pretty, Jun. Very comfortable. Oy. Daddy.
Yeah, you're gonna get someone pregnant soon.
AJ will be like, I'm gonna find someone tonight.
Hold on. Okay. Hold it back.
Hold it from the hand.
Yeah, like that. I
There
can't
you
see.
go.
Oh, now I can see. Kick him, kick him.
Have a look what they're doing, guys. They're recreating a photo when they were kids.
Go like that.
And now that they are big. And additional Paris Nico.
Yeah, we can see what it looks like.
Do a selfie.
I can see what it looks like. Oh, yeah, like that.
Okay.
Yo.
You'll see the behind the scene
Go down a bit, quick.
in my vlog.
Go down a bit. Go down a bit.
No, can you do it straight so I have double chin? Thank you.
There we go.
Wait, can we go like our heads closer
Yeah,
together?
go over here.
Like shuffle. We look like a flower.
Ben, nakalungat naman.
Your head is so big. Go down a bit more.
Okay, can you take it?
How far does it go?
Wait.
Like directly on top.
In the middle, yeah.
Yeah.
Make sure it's in the middle.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Ano lang, grabe lang photographer.
Yeah.
Say cheese!
Cheese. Papi.
This is so cute na papa. When they grow older,
This is
you know?
Paris.
You know what I
There's a
mean?
lot of chin.
They can do it again.
Okay,
Take a
do not
selfie,
move.
do not.
Do not move yet until we see the photo.
Wala, do not move yet. Grabe kay ka.
That's off-centered, my
Demanding,
God. You have to go in the center.
Take the pen out and then put
towards my brother.
This way, this way. Move in your leg. In. Like that. Oh, wait, move that way a little bit. There
Chris,
we
your
go.
head is big, bro.
There
Go
we
down
go.
a bit.
Ready?
Smile.
Is it taking photos?
Video.
No. There we go. Okay, now laugh.
Laugh, everybody.
Laugh.
Papi.
Okay. Smile. I think that's it.
No? Home now, everyone. Yung Maki daw sa naglalaro ng kanilang mga laruan. Celine, would you like to say thank you to the sponsors na? Celine? Ito yung laruan na natanggap ni Baby Celine from the family. Thank you, everyone. Cute ito, oh. Learning, ano talaga ba? I think the fork fell off na. In the paper bag. And there's more there. Have a look. Lainey has got a piano. Yeah. And then what's this one, Nak? Ate Paris, the open oy. Kanyang manghud na.
Let's hurry.
Wow, that's cute.
Hello, baby stuff.
Yeah. We can't give it to Selena. It's not a toy.
Mommy,
Oh, that's cute.
can I use this cup?
Of course you can. You have to ask Celine's permission, though, because this is Celine. Can you ask Celine?
That's really.
Hey, you have to ask Celine na nicely. Ate, ask Celine nicely ba? Okay, then you ask.
Late. Can I please have your cup?
Kumpot na yung buhok na.
Mommy,
Play careful na ha, because you can break it, anak.
can I
Oo, nababasag yun.
use that too?
Yeah, you can use the ones, nak. This one.
I'll leave the glass.
Oh yeah, they're all glass. So cute though. So nice. Hindi ko mabigay kay baby Celine to kasi basag ba? Okay, where's that one na? The spoon eh. Doon na pe. Yeah, that one. Cutie. Yeah, the fork is there. And that one up there, show me. Put this away na kasi Celine ay, ayan, ang kukunin ito. Baba! And that teddy bear from Nanay Nancy. Thank you. So many toys. And this one's, of course, ayan, meron din kay Ate Paris from Tita Joy. And yeah, have a look how messy it is now. Ayan, mga maliliit kasi. Ayan, stickers and all. Ling, you got lots of toys, anak.
I love me the bad nature like.
What is that?
I love me the nature like. Do you mean the blood?
Yes. Like, careful anak. Oh, kasi Celine's picking it up, nak. The small ones.
Why?
Nakapagkilamos din tayo, guys. Kumikintab ang ating kamukhaan. Dahil sa mga cream na ating pinagalagay sa ating mukha. Anyways, I think I'm liking it naman kasi parang nakikita ko naman na meron siyang ginagawa sa mukha ko. Kasi I can feel yung parang humahapdi siya, nagpipil siya, so it means that it's working. So, little bit, kasi nga, diba, madilim yung melasma ko dito, so nagla-lighten siya. So, I've been using it for a week now, and so far, so good. Kitchen muna ako ngayon, guys, kasi alam nyo, yung mga kiddos kanina, before sila natulog, nag-iwan sila ng kalat dyan. So, lalinisin ko muna ng konti para pagising naman bukas ng maaga. Ay, hindi siya sobrang makalat. Yeah, today, it's really good. So, nawala na yung worry ko, guys, tungkol doon sa sasakyan. So, the whole time, yun yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, diba? Na yung car rental, kasi nga, kapag sinauli, na mayroong gas-gas or something like that, they will charge us a lot of money. So, kanina, nakita ko sa email ko na nag-send sila ng invoice, and I was so worried na kahit, although alam ko naman na wala akong ginawang gas-gas sa sasakyan, you never know, diba? So, natanggap ko yung invoice, I opened it, and sabi, it's, you know, I owe them $0, so it means they got the car back, and I don't have to worry about it anymore. Successful naman yung ating pa-birthday lunch for baby Celine today. Again, I was very worried na hindi magkasya yung food kasi si mami lang yung nagluto, hindi na ako nagpa-cater. But sa awa ng Diyos, guys, kasya naman. Inuwi ko pa nga yung rice, guys, o kasi ang dami kong niluto na tawag ito, rice. Tapos, alam niyo ba, nagluto ako nung parang dinefrost ko kanina yung saging. Alam niyo ba, sobrang mahal ng saging dito sa Filipino shop. And then, isang nilagay ko sa microwave kasi dadalhin ko rin sana doon. Alam niyo ba, nakarating kami doon ng saging, nandito pa. So, hindi ko alam kung okay pa yan siya kasi na-defrost na. So, kailangan na siguro yan siyang itapon. Sobrang mahal pa naman yan, guys. We will do a quick shout out before natin i-end yung ating vlog. Oh, my phone is dying too. Shout out to Loleta La Cuesta, Delaney Prince, Belin De Jesus, Mami Rosa Valle, Shailene Rafales, Mary Ann, Melit Bernardo, Jane Bagsik, Evangeline Alvarez, Helen Abiertas, Janzi Penay, Australia, Faye Guarnes, Emerald Fields and Moonbeams, Teresa R.L., Irma Santiago, Bernadita Rivera, Estrelita Casinillo, Kananay Vlog, Arlene Hoover, Mareth Del Valle, and Emmy Lucena. Yan. So, thank you very much, guys, for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can, be careful. Bye.